Good morning, children. As you know, conversation topic is going on, and you know very well that conversation is an essential part of our speaking. By using all the topics which we have already done, we will come to know how to converse, and you have already learned how to converse when we are in the different situations. Today in this video we will learn how to plan for weekend, and here you see two friends who meet after a long time and they plan to go outside, and they let's have a look at the conversation. Hello Shelly, what are your plans for this weekend? Now Shelly replies, I don't know. Do you want to get together or something? Here Sarah replies, and Sarah says, how about going to see a movie? Yes, students, they are planning to go outside and they have planned to go to see a movie. Now Shelly replies, that sounds like a good idea. In the way of speaking means you can use the different type of language, and here she says that sounds like a good idea. Now here she replies, it's fine with me, and where do you want to meet and where do you want to go? Here she says that let's go to the movie at 2 p.m. As you can see here, students, that the Sarah and Shelly, they are very excited to go to the movie because after a long time they are planning to go outside, and this time they are having a plan for weekend. And now Shelly replies, call your cousin Lily also. Long time no see means there have been a long time that we have never seen Lily before. So I met her at a family party 2 years ago, Shelly informed her. And now look at here that what Sarah replies. Of course, why not? She will definitely come. Okay, and she will definitely enjoy with us. Students, in this way you can converse with your friends, with your family members, and now Shelly replies, let's go and have fun. Students, what you have to do now? You have to make a video of yourself with your family member, with your younger brother or sister. Okay, and send it to me. And here is the another form of conversation you can do. And here, do you have any plans for this weekend? And here the reply from his friend. Okay, no, why? What are you doing these days? And I was thinking of going to the beach, and my friend owns a house that is literally next to the beach. Here is the another form of conversation you can do. And I have always wanted to do surfing. Do you think it's hard? Earlier they were talking about going to movie, and now this time they are thinking about surfing. Well, I have never done surfing before. My friend said he would teach me. Wow, that sounds nice. What are you going to do there? What are your plannings now to do there? And now the another replies comes from him. I don't know. Do you want to go? You can try too. He has an extra surfboard. Are you sure? Would he say it's okay? Oh yeah, yes, he loves having new people over. Let's go. It will be so much fun there. Students, in this way you can talk and you can converse with your friend. I can't wait. And the answer comes. Students, now you have to send your recorded video up to Friday. Thank you. Learn English and speak English.